And what's up guys, I welcome you to the 15th video of the series HTML CSS full course for beginners. So today in this video I'm going to explain about the classes and IDs in HTML. These are the two most important attributes which we use for applying CSS in our HTML or in our website. So let me open my VS Code. Right here you can see I have written the basic syntax of HTML, and let me create two divs right here. So I will write here div and *2 and hit enter. Okay, it is the shortcut of creating divs as many you want in VS Code or in I think in other text editors. I hope it is also available. So let's see. Right here you can see I have two divs. Now if I'll go to my browser and refresh, now you can see there is no change. So to see the change, let's write something here. I will write here div1, and right here I will write here div2. Okay, and now if I will go to my browser, you can see I have this div1 and div2. Okay, now guys, if I want to give them some common CSS properties and some unique CSS properties, how can I do that? I can do that using classes and IDs. So to understand classes and IDs, let's consider an example. Suppose there are 50 students in a class. So if I will ask you, what is the first common link between those students? The answer is absolutely, guys, is their classes, not the school, because the school is the common link between the classes, not the students. Okay, understand this like this. Okay, and each student have some unique identity, that is their roll number. Their name may be same, their face may be same, as they may be twins. Okay, so but their roll number must be unique, guys. So similarly in our HTML, the ID is like the roll number and the classes are like the classes of the school. So if I want to give them same CSS properties, so I can do that. I can access them using the classes attribute. So I will write here class, and you can give any name to it. Okay, there is no matter. So I am giving the name of box. Okay, and I will copy this class name and I will paste the same in the second div also. Okay, understand one thing, guys, you can give unique and common class names. There is no restriction, but the ID's name must be unique. So to apply CSS, I will use internal CSS. So if you don't know what is internal CSS, go to my channel and access this playlist. Here you'll find this video where I've explained what is how can you apply CSS, different types of CSS. Okay, so let's come to our topic. So I will write here style, and inside this style tag I will write dot and give the name of my class, so that is box. Understand one thing, guys, to access class name you have to use dot before the class name. Okay, now use curly braces, and now I will give them an width of 100 pixels and height of 100 pixels, and I will give them a border of 2 pixels solid black. So don't worry, guys, we will discuss each of these properties in details in our upcoming videos. So just right now understand what is class and ID and how can just you access the elements, okay, using the class and ID. And I'll give it a margin also of something margin. Okay, I'll get a margin of let's say 50 pixels. Okay, now here you can see the two divs. Okay, we have created two boxes like structures, and this is div1 and this is div2. If I want to give them some background color, okay, so I can do that right here. I can just write here bg color, this is background color. Okay, I can write here background color, and I can just give the color to blue. Now if I go to my browser, now you can see the color of these two divs has become blue, but I want to give some unique colors to each of these divs. So I can do that using IDs. So what I can do, I will go to my this HTML part and write here. I will write here ID, and inside this ID I will write suppose bx1. You can give any name, but the name must be unique. Okay, you must not use this name okay, or this ID for any other element or div. Okay, now I will write here another. I will give the second div also an ID of suppose let's say bx2. Okay, now I will just move to this styles tag, and I will just write has. Understand guys, for class we use dot, and for ID we use hashtag. Okay, understand this. Okay, because most of the people just get stuck in this, and just they do some mistakes and they say that their CSS is not working. So just understand this, that dot is for classes and hashtag is for IDs. Okay, now after using this hashtag I will give the ID name, that is box1, and I will use the curly braces, and I will give this background, copy this just background color, and I will just paste it right here, and I will just change this color to let's say red. Okay, and now if I move to my browser, you can see the color only of the first div has been changed. Similarly, what I will do, I will just copy this code and just paste it right here, and I'll just change this name to box2 and this to color 2, let's say green. Okay, now here you can see the color of the first div is red and the second is green. So in this way you can access your divs and change their CSS properties. You can apply colors, you can apply fonts, you can apply a lot of things guys. There's a lot of things in CSS. Okay, so in the next video we'll see about the background properties in CSS. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel guys, and access that playlist, and just hit that like button and that bell icon. So see you guys in the next video.